Here we see new forms of Jizo in Japan. Again, the bald head. Here we see the 6 Jizo to protect all 6 realms. But now, let's look at these over here. This is at a temple in Japan called Hase-dera in Kamakura. After World War II, there was just great destruction in the country. And many Japanese were unsure of the future. And there was a huge upswing in abortions. Parents after World War II didn't want to bring their children into an unknown future. They had no idea what the future would be. So by their late 50s and 60s, Japan had recovered. And a lot of these parents were suffering guilt and sadness and grief. And the temples adapted Jizo Bosatsu and Kannon Bosatsu to help grieving parents pray to their aborted, miscarried, stillborn children. And here what we see in some cases is parents would come to the temples for these musical Jizo and also musical Kannon, water child Jizo, water child Kannon. They would come to the temples, buy these little statues, and then dress the statues with some cloth from their dead child, in the hopes that Jizo would know who they were in the underworld and help that child in the underworld. Some parents would come, their child was sick, and they would pray to Jizo to make their child get well again. And if the child did recover and got well, they would come and they would maybe give toys to the little Jizo statues. Here we see like a Snoopy doll, and here we see some Walt Disney characters. Same thing with the Kannon. She also protects children who are undergoing judgment in the underworld. So this is an all new form of Jizo and of Kannon Bosatsu. Again, you can recognize Jizo, the bald head, very simple. Well, here look at this. This is called the cutification. The Japanese temples find nothing wrong with taking older deities and then making them look like cartoons or animations. So here's another new adaptation of Jizo again. Bald head, 6-ring staff, wish-granting jewel, 6-ring staff, wish-granting jewel, bald head, simple roof. Here we see grandma and grandpa down at the bottom. This particular Jizo is known as Boke Fuji. Kannon, I got the wrong, Boke Fuji Jizo, I got the wrong thing up there. It means Jizo who prevents dementia. Jizo who prevents Alzheimer. Wow. So grandma and grandpa don't want to, have Alzheimer. And so they want Jizo to help them avoid Alzheimer. So this is all new as well. Everything this is like 1980s. The same thing with Kannon, the goddess of mercy. Here we see grandpa and grandma. And this is Boke Fuji Kannon, I call it the senility preventing Kannon Bosatsu. This temple actually sells pillowcases, which you can then take home and put on your pillow to prevent Alzheimer. So the marketing is just also very clever. So I'm actually working on a new report, a new project called New Duties for Old Deities. So these old Bodhisattvas are now being used for all new functions in the world, right? So the world changes, so do the deities.